Session 8 of Business Ethics of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about managing ethics in business and ethics in functional areas of business. Business ethics can be thought of as written and unwritten codes of principles and values that govern decisions and actions within a company. In the business world, the organization's culture sets standards for determining the difference between good and bad decision making and behavior. Techniques of managing ethics in business. Top management. The senior management of a company must be committed to ensure that ethical standards are met. The chief executive of the company must not engage in business practices harmful to employees or the society. The top management must focus on ethical practices while informing employees of their intention. Next is Code of Ethics. One of the best practices for ethics is creating a corporate ethical statement and communicating it within the company. Such practices enhance the company's public image. Third is Ethics Committee. There are ethics committees in many firms to help them deal with and advise on work-related ethical issues. The chief executive officer can head the committee that includes the board of directors. Such a committee answers employees' questions, helps the company to establish policies in uncertain areas, advise the board on ethical issues, and oversees the enforcement of the code of ethics. Next is Ethics Hotline. A company's ethical hotline helps its employees report any ethical issues they face at work. The ethics committee then investigates these issues. Such hotline calls are treated confidential, where the caller's identity is protected to encourage employees to report on ethical issues. The act of reporting illegal, immoral, or illegitimate practices by former or current employees involving its employees is known as whistleblowing. Whistleblowing is favorable to a company because employees can alert the management on possibly deviant behavior rather than reporting it to the media, which adversely affects the company. Next is ethics training programs. Most firms take ethics seriously and provide training for its managers and employees. Such training programs help the employees become familiar with the official policy on ethical issues. These programs demonstrate the use of ethic policies of everyday decision making. Ethics training is most effective when conducted by managers and when focused on work environment. Finally, ethics and law. Both law and ethics focus on defining the perfect human behavior, but they are not the same. Law is the government's attempt to formalize rightful behavior, but it is rarely possible to enforce written laws. It depends on individual or business. Ethical concepts are more complex than written rules since it deals with human dilemmas that go beyond the formal language of law. Now let us see ethics in functional areas of business. Some of the functional areas of business are ethical issues in finance, ethical issues in human resource management, in sales and marketing, and in production. Ethics in management determine the values in the functional and other areas of organization. It is managing in any area of business. It constitutes a whole range of activities covering formal and informal means of planning, implementation, and control. Now, let us see ethical issues in finance. Ethics in financial management has an important role to play. Firms frame code of conduct to promote honest and ethical conduct and compliance with applicable laws, rules and regulations. Some of the ethical activities in financial management are adopting proper accounting policies, proper recognition and measurement of revenue and expenditure, proper valuation of assets, fair disclosure relating to financial affairs, etc. Ethical issues in human resource management. Human resource management attempts to integrate the long-term policy and planning of an organization with the development of its human resources. Human resource management involves recruitment, selection, appraisal, training, etc. The best ethical practices towards employees by the business are providing fair wages and salary, providing good working conditions, providing opportunity for career development, fair and just evaluation of employees' performance, encouraging trade unions, etc. Ethical issues in sales and marketing. All marketing activities should be based on legal foundation related to consumer and consumer production. Ethics in marketing refers to the principles, values, and ideals that marketers follow. Marketing issues are related to ethics include marketing redundant or dangerous products and services, lack of transparency regarding environmental risks, product ingredients, health risks, consumer privacy, advertising, truthfulness, etc. Some of the ethical issues are understanding customers, marketing of safe and useful products, fair and adequate information about service or products, marketing of goods and services within the rules and regulation, true and fair advertisement, correct weights and measures. Finally, ethical issues connected to production. Production can have environmental and health impact. Pollution and habitat destruction are very common. Some products like tobacco, though harmful to the health, people still demand it. Some ethical issues in production activities are uses of quality raw materials, production of quality products, using of harmless technology, minimize production wastage, adoption of right technology, testing of the product, etc. References.